So we've got some light snow moving tonight, guys. Not a huge deal, just enough to freshen it back up. We went a while without snowpack, but we're starting to build it back out very slowly here. 33 in Portland is where we're sitting at the moment, 32 in Wiscasset, 26 in Bangor. You look at this broadly, and it's not a very good-looking storm, and typically these clippers really aren't. And so they've got holes in them. This hole is actually kind of terrain driven. The radar has a hard time seeing the Northeast Kingdom of Vermont, but there's holes down into Albany and up into the Champlain Valley there. So overall, it's starting to fill in though. And you look at it here, there's some nice bands coming through the foothills and into the mountains where they'll be happy about it, into Skowhegan as well. Augusta getting into a moderate band of snow. So in time for the evening commute, we've got snow flying over a good part of the state, but we still have holes in the snow along the coastline. Those will fill in though. Winter weather advisory in effect for northern Maine down into parts of down East Maine. I think Bangor could and probably should be included in this winter weather advisory, but we're splitting hairs here. They'll see accumulating snow. So you'll notice the snow starting to thicken up here along the coast. By later on this evening, we got some rain snow line issues, which is surprising. We started below zero this morning, but we're able to drag ourselves back into the mid-30s by later tonight. So Portland, Wiscasset, certainly even more coastal communities, like you think about Brunswick, and then down into Scarborough here, they probably will change over to rain briefly, and same deal over down East Maine. But notice it's snowing pretty consistently into Bangor, sticking around 32, 33 degrees there. So they'll see some good accumulating snow up into Millinocket, up into Caribou as well. The storm moves out and we're back to sunny conditions on Wednesday. Temperatures in the mid-30s, even some upper 30s briefly. And then another clipper comes through. We've got a kind of progressive, fast-moving pattern. None of these storms are all that interesting, but this is another quick shot of maybe an inch or so of snow tomorrow night into Thursday morning. Should be out of here in time for the morning commute, and then temperatures are dropping Thursday afternoon, setting up for a cold morning on Friday. So coating to 2 inches, although, looking at it right now, I could see over 2 inches into the foothills and mountains potentially. But 2 to 4 into Bangor and up into Presque Isle as well. Quiet on Saturday, next storm system on Sunday is probably a mixture of snow to sleet and freezing rain, then over to rain, and we might follow up with another one on Monday. It's all about where the front is, so that's what I put. Where's the front on Monday? I don't know who I expect to answer that question, if not one of us, but we'll keep an eye on it, because if the front gets to our north, guys, we could push to near 50 on Monday, so there's quite a bit of riding on that. So I didn't want to get expectations to that level yet. I put 40. You never want to take away the big warmth in the winter. So you start at 40 and then you gradually go up if you need to.
Sounds like a couple of days of just mess.
Yeah, just little snow things back and forth, and the only people happy, probably mountains, but otherwise that's it.
Yeah. All right.
Thanks, Keith.
Thanks, Keith.